Good day everyone. In this video we're going to learn about integers. So what is an integers? Integers is a whole number with positive and negative sign. Positive and we have negative sign. Positive are the values from 0 going to we have positive infinity. So we know that a positive number, it is a positive number if we can see the values are greater than 0. And then if the values is less than 0, meaning it is going to negative infinity. So the values of a positive can be written as 5, or we say positive 5, or we can have 2 or positive 12. For negative values, we can write that one as negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and we have negative 9. Integers as well represent for temperatures. We have, for the temperatures, sometimes we will have 30 degrees Celsius, and also some of the cold areas we have negative 1 degree Celsius. Okay, and then also we will have as well the sea level. So from this one, this is the sea level. So we have going up is the positive, and then going down is below sea level. So this one is above sea level, and then the other one is we have below sea level. Okay, now let's go to represent the integer in a line diagram or a line graph. So for example, we have to draw negative 5. So here we have 0. This point now is going to, we have positive. This point is going to negative. So we have 0. This one is the origin, which is 0. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So therefore, this one will become negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So from 0, the graph or the line will be going to negative 5. What if it is positive, let's say positive 3? So from this line here represents, so we will have 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So the line now from 0, from the origin, it will go 3. We have points, which is positive 3. So this point now will be positive 3, and this one will be negative 5. Now let's compare. We have integers with a positive and a negative value. So for example, we have to compare negative 2 and negative 4. So which one is closest to 0 and which one is farthest to 0? So when we draw the graph, so this is our origin. So we have a line to represent, we have our integer. So this one will be our origin. So let's say this one is 0, 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. So if we compare from 0, so in this origin here, 0 to negative 2 have only 2 points. So we will jump from 0 going 1 and 2. Okay, and then for negative 4, so we will have from 0, from this point going to negative 4. So this one is our origin. So we will jump how many? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So therefore, negative 2 now is greater than we have negative 4. Another, for example, so we will have negative 1 and positive 1. So in mathematics, we cannot say that negative 1 is equals to positive 1 because negative 1 is less than we have positive 1. How? By showing in the graph, okay, by showing in this line, this is our origin, which is a 0, and this is 1 is 1, this one is negative 1. So therefore, negative 1 is going to the negative infinity, and positive 1 is going to positive infinity. Therefore, 1 is greater than we have negative 1. Now let's try to arrange. We have the order of integers. For example, we have negative 5, 6, negative 2, 0, 1, and negative 3. Okay. So if we will arrange it one from or the ascending part, so we will have now, let's make it in a line graph. Okay, so this one is our origin, this one is 0. So the maximum value here is 6. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So therefore, we will have to indicate the numbers negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So when we're going to arrange the integers, so 0 will be on this point, which is the origin. So this one is 0. The next one we have 1. This one is 1. The next one we will have 6 as well. We have negative 5 will be here. So 0, 1 is there. Negative 2 is over here. So when we're going to arrange that, so therefore from ascending method, so therefore we will have now as negative 5. The next one will have negative 2, 0, 1, and we have positive 6. So therefore, this is the point now where the values of a negative and positive integers goes. Okay, for example, let's do an ascending. So this one is ascending, so let's go for descending. For example, the given values are, we have negative 3, 2, 5, 7, negative 1, and negative 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's represent that one in the graph. So this one is ascending. Ascending meaning we have from lower value going to the highest value, or the lowest value going to the highest. So this one now it's different from we have the highest value going to the lowest value, so meaning it is descent, going down. Okay, so this one, let's go with the origin. It's 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 is the highest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So therefore, we will have to plot now the points. So let's start with negative 3. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So this one is negative 3. The next one is positive 2. So we have from 0, we jump off here. So that is positive 2. Next, we have 5. So we will add 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this one now is 0.5. Next, we have 7. So another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this one is 0.7. The next one is negative 1. So 0. This one is our negative 1. And then the last one is negative 5. So therefore, 3, 4, and 5. So this one is negative 5. So showing the line graph, we can see now the values, which one is greater and which one is less. So therefore, we can arrange now the values into 7, 5, 2, -1, -3, and -5. So therefore this one is ascending and this one is descending. So again, let's review. So we have integer or integers will have a part of a whole numbers with we have positive sign and also we have negative sign. Okay, and then after that including we are including 0. Okay, so including 0. So positive sign or positive numbers is from 0 going to we have positive infinity. Okay, and then the negative sign or negative numbers is 0, or let's do that one in the opposite way. We have 0 going down to negative infinity. Okay, so that's all for the introduction of integers.